So guys, many people are interested for the $649 iPhone 12 by Apple. Well guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be discussing regarding the good news regarding this smartphone. In my earlier video, I have already discussed regarding the overall body design. You're going to be getting Apple's A14 Bionic chip. You're going to be getting 5G and a smaller notch. But apart from this, there are so many other good things that are going to be coming with this iPhone. So guys, after watching today's video, the excitement for this iPhone in your mind is going to be increasing substantially. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I want to say one thing before starting today's video, and that is everybody watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because whenever you subscribe to my channel, I get the inner motivation to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, let me come to the first good news regarding the iPhone 12 mini. We all know that the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with a 18-watt fast charger in the box, whereas the standard iPhone 11 only comes with the 5-watt wall adapter. Well guys, from the first iPhone 2G to the current iPhone 11, all of the iPhones are having the 5-watt load power charger, whereas on the other hand, with the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, you're getting a fast charger. So guys, it is looking like this year with all of the 4 upcoming iPhones, Apple is going to be shipping the 18-watt fast charger in the box. And guys, take example of the lowest end iPad, the $329 7th generation iPad has a 12-watt fast charger in the box. So guys, for the price tag of $650 and $1,000, Apple can easily manage to put a 18-watt fast charger. So guys, the second news is in terms of the frame. Well guys, I have already discussed in my earlier video that the size of this iPhone is going to be slightly bigger than the older iPhone SE, whereas it is going to be slightly smaller than the current iPhone SE. And guys, we also know that with the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, you're going to be getting the stainless steel borders, and that too are going to be having the flat sides. So guys, with the iPhone 12 5.4 inch and with the 6.1 inch iPhone 12, now we are expecting the same exact flat sides, like just like the older iPhone SE, the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 6.1 inch is going to be having a flat border. And guys, I have been personally using this iPhone SE from past 3 years, and guys, literally I have hardly dropped this phone once or twice. Like, I am not using any cover or anything with this smartphone. And guys, because of this frame, you are getting a very comfortable and a very strong hold, so you will hardly drop your iPhone. And I personally believe that having the flat edges and a flat frame is way better than the curved way. And guys, the third news is regarding colors. Well guys, with the iPhone 12 mini, you're going to be getting a colorful lineup. In the iPhone XR, you got all of the colors, whereas from the iPhone XR to the iPhone 11, the coral and the blue color were removed, and with the iPhone 11, you got the lavender color and the green color. So guys, with this iPhone 12 mini, Apple might launch couple of new color variants, and overall, this is a colorful palette. And guys, the fourth news is regarding the RAM and the storage configuration. Well guys, the current iPhone 11 has 3GB of RAM, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro is having 4GB of RAM. So guys, with this iPhone 12 mini, it is looking like it will have a 4GB of RAM, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max will have 6GB RAM option. So guys, this was regarding the RAM, and now let me come to the internal storage. Well guys, this time Apple might possibly remove the 64GB base model, so they might just introduce 128GB as the base configuration. Like from earlier times, Apple used to sell the 16GB iPhone 6 and 6s. Later on, they moved to the 32GB as the base model, then later to 64GB. So now might be the move to 128GB of the base model. And guys, if you're going to be getting a 4GB of RAM and 128GB as the base configuration for $649, that makes this iPhone right on point for the value for the money category. So guys, this was all of the information that we were having with us. Again guys, we are not 100% sure that all of these things will be adopted by Apple, but guys, Apple always listen to the customer feedback, and hence currently the biggest complaint of all of the customers is the slow charger. If a person buys the iPhone SE, the iPhone 11 or the iPhone XR, you are getting a 5-watt charger. So it is literally of no use and in 2020, because it literally takes 2 to 3 hours to charge your entire iPhone. So guys, this year most likely with all of the 4 upcoming iPhones, you are going to be getting the fast charger. So guys, we don't have 100% guarantee that all of the things will happen for sure, but there are very high chances that we might see all of these things with the upcoming iPhones. So guys, if you are excited for this iPhone 12 mini and excited for the overall iPhone 12 lineup, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, because I am going to be covering every single news regarding this smartphones, and you're going to be having the clear idea that should you buy or should you wait for this iPhone. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.